Hello from Amed. Beautiful. I wish I'm there, but in a couple of days we definitely will go. I will contact Elliot because we decided that we will go in that window between 10 and 13 when Elliot has the time, and also me. And then we definitely will report from the top of Agung again. Yesterday I got a message pretty late, but from my friends from Singapore, where they made a short video. Hello. Hello. Today from hello. And they said it's like a kind of trademark, becomes like a trademark already. It's kind of interesting fact, but I never been singing actually about that, but it felt like whenever I'm going somewhere I'm always saying this hello. So I don't know, it definitely is something which represents myself. Plan for today is to go around the villas, try to find a villa for our friend Anna. She will be out of quarantine in a couple of days, and then she's coming to Amed. So you will see her on many of my episodes, because we're gonna dive, we're gonna have a technical dives. That's something interesting which never been happening on this vlog. It's been happening a lot in my life, but so that's what you're gonna see. So we need to find the villa for her, and we found that it's not that easy probably as to do it in Canggu, Seminyak or Kuta, but we have some good villas and we definitely will go around, and that's what you will see in this episode. But now it's time to do my tradition, to cut my hair. Monthly thing. Okay, let's go and do it. Stay there. Alright, so we're starting our tour around Melasti area at the moment, because Melasti is kind of the new areas which started become developed, I don't know, maybe 4 years ago, when there were more and more homestays and also some villas in this area. This is one of the areas which is really flat, and previously there was rice fields. As you can see on my back, there's just this one rice field. But because this area gives the harvest only once a year, I think that was one of the reasons why people started looking at it as a building area. And another really important thing is that in this area is probably one of the best views, because as you can see on that side there is a mountains, there is a Agung and sunset, and exactly on the other side there is a sunrise. And that's why people love this place, because it's between the mountains and it's like a tunnel. So in this area it's always really windy. Okay, and my guide for this will be Odi. Yeah. We spent a really good 16 days a while ago when Odi did the instructor course. Yeah. And this is Odi's place.
So this is my own...
Yeah. Hello everyone. So yeah, Odi is making really good kombucha, smoothies, and you can... What else?
We have healthy juices,
okay.
Veggie juices.
Juices? Mostly juices, right?
Yeah, mostly healthy stuff. In the good stuff is healthy stuff.
Okay, healthy Odi stuff. This one looks better.
This one's better.
There's a line of the villas, but this one is a little bit separate. Yeah, so it's like, looks like away from everything. There's a straight view to my favorite mountains, and inside looks actually really cool. Little kitchen here. Let's check out the bathroom. The bathroom is just like, I don't know, There's a football team can take a shower at the same time, I think. Yeah, I just don't like a little bit this one because it's not really separated from that area, but not bad. I'm not going to give you really prices of all these places, but just because it's not really my business, and if you need the contact, I will just give you the contact and you can contact straight to the owner and deal about the prices. All right, so this is not a cheapest villa you can have, but I just want to show you that we have a good villas if you're looking for. So this particular villa is 2-bedroom villa, and so 2-bedroom villa, 1 bedroom, another one. This is next to the ocean. That's how it looks like here. So it's not so far from our dive center. This is another side, and that side is the Tulamben. This is all the area. Price for this villa is around 30 million. It's a beautiful pool here. You're in your bed, you turn around, and the villa I just visited is called, what is called?
Asling Villa.
Asling Villa. This one is a Villa Agung, and that's just next door, and we would like to show you it. No one is staying here at the moment, so that's why, but everything is in the right condition. Just okay, welcome. So that's the kitchen, small kitchen, and this villa looks like it's a way bigger than another one. So there is one small bedroom here with bathroom. Looks pretty solid and good. So this one is a living room, and then we have, this is one of the bedrooms, bedroom 1, and really big bathroom with a tub. And shower is really interesting. This is another bedroom. I like this one a little bit more because it's more bright. There's more light in this one than another one. Bathroom and kind of the shelf for the clothes. So now we're going out to the garden. So the garden is amazing. They have something for the water sports. It's like a canoe. And also the paddle board, or SUP. So that you can just rent it for your, I don't know, maybe it's included in a price. Then there is a pool, and then there is also small gazebo where you can sleep during the daytime, take a nap, enjoy the view to the ocean. And in the morning you can just sleep on this one in gazebo and see the sunrise there. So we will go upstairs. Like a balcony. Yeah, and that's the room. Table. There is like a TV area. Another balcony with a view to ocean. There's 2 chairs. So just imagine in the morning you wake up, you put on a table your coffee, and then you can see sunrise reflecting on the slopes of Agong. Kind of cool perspective, right? That was a review of Villa Agong. And the price for this Villa Agong is same as for another one, which is 30 million rupiah per month.
It's a Corona price.
It's a Corona price?
Yeah, they said it's a Corona price.
Okay, so that you can expect it's gonna be a little bit more expensive when it will be normal times back again. The whole idea is that time after time we're gonna do these reviews, but I think it's really needed just because simply people need to know. Because one thing is that you see the photos of the place, but you don't really understand where it's located, how it's in real life looks like. I really want to do the review of this place, but I will contact the owner and then we will, or manager, and then I will do it. That place probably is not open yet, just because simply they just finished all the building or construction things. Thank you very much for watching me today. Again, follow, subscribe, thumbs up please, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Today from... Hello, hello. Hello, hello.